In this video, I am once again going to be trying to get my audio right, so hopefully this one turns out okay. What's up everybody, Travis here. So I have the GoPro Hero 5 Black, and I tried using the GoPro mic adapter and all that crap, but I never could get the audio to work right. So, on recommendation from a fellow YouTuber, shout out to Motard Steve, thanks bud, I actually picked up a external recorder. I'm kind of trying that out to see if I can get that to work. It's one more thing to carry, but if the audio is going to be really good, then I really don't mind. I'm not sure what the deal is with the GoPro mic adapter, which I don't think mine was bad because I did have audio sometimes, and then other times I didn't. I did figure out that the quick capture, it will record audio from the first video, but if you stop it and then start it again, it won't record audio for the next video. So, which that's weird. So I'm just out today trying to ride around, trying to fix this audio, trying to get it right. I ended up getting a Zoom H1 handy recorder. I got it used on eBay. It was a pretty good deal. So that's what I'm using to do this audio right now. I'm also using a giant squid microphone right now. I did have one of the Sony EC3, or I can't remember the model number, but it was a Sony lab mic, and it worked okay. I used it with my GoPro Hero 3, and that worked decent. But for whatever reason, I could not get the audio to work with the Hero 5 Black, so I decided to try to just record the audio separately. And if done right, it'll sound amazing. So that's what I'm trying to do, is get all that set up where it sounds good. So I guess we will see. Right now, all I have on my mic is one of those foam windscreens. So I actually have the entire mic tucked under my cheek pad to try to block some wind noise. I do have a set of those dead cats on the way, because those seem to block wind better than anything, according to, well, a lot of motovloggers. So whenever that comes in, I'll probably throw that on and do some more riding and recording just to see if that helps. I did record some yesterday, but I couldn't get the levels right. But hopefully this audio sounds good. Let me know down in the comments if anybody else uses a Hero 5 Black and you've had trouble with audio. If there's a way to fix it and actually use the GoPro mic adapter, then I might go back to that. If I can't get this to work out right, it's just a bunch of trial and error to get it to do what it's supposed